So my Amazon package just arrived here in Jamaica. Shipping was free. So now I'm going to be unboxing what I bought. I have my scissors. So I've been very much interested into plant medicine and herbs, and I want to learn more. So not only from YouTube videos, but from books. So I bought myself 2 books. So let's see. Ooh. And all right, let me just check out the first one. The Jamaican Herbal Remedy Encyclopedia by Elia Mashiach. So yeah, so that's one. Let's see what else is in here. All right, so I also got myself some mason jars so that I can do my sprouting, my okra water, and anything else. So let's have a look at my mason jars. Okay, so I got six mason jars. 6 mason jars. All right. And then I got another. Wait, them send me the same book. They sent me 2 of the same books. I bought 2 different books and they sent me 2. Oh no, it's a different book. One is volume 1 and one is volume 2. All right, so I have the Jamaica Herbal Remedy Encyclopedia volume 1 and the Jamaica Herbal Remedy Encyclopedia volume 2. Yeah, so that's what I got. 2 books and 6 mason jars. Yeah, that's me whenever I'm into something and I have a strong interest or passion into something. I try to learn as much about it as possible. So whether that's watching videos or books or courses or yeah. So that's me. So that's the journey I'm on now. And I am definitely planning to do my herbal physician course as well. If you're interested in getting your copies of these 2 books, then go to my description section. The links to my Amazon store and to these books will be there. All right. So that was my Amazon haul. Until my next Amazon haul, which may be happening soon. Blessed love.